Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the ever-changing world of social media with ease. Today, we're going to show you how to enable notifications for suggestion events on Facebook using your PC. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to stay updated on events that might interest you, from concerts to meetups and more. First, let's get started by opening facebook.com in your browser. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings. From this menu, click on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage everything from account security to notification preferences. Now, scroll down through the options on the left side of the screen until you see Notifications. Click on this to enter the notification settings area. Here, you can control what types of updates you receive from Facebook. In the notifications section, scroll down until you find the Events option. Click on it to open the event notification settings. Here, you'll see a variety of options related to event notifications, including invitations and updates. To enable notifications for suggested events, look for the Suggestions option within the Events settings. Toggle the switch next to it to turn it on. This will ensure that you receive notifications about events that Facebook thinks you might be interested in. By enabling these notifications, you'll never miss out on events that align with your interests. Whether it's a local concert, a community meetup, or a charity event, Facebook will keep you informed. That's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for suggested events on Facebook. This feature is a great way to stay connected with your community and discover new activities. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Facebook and other social media platforms effectively. Thanks for watching.